little technique that Graham 3X2K taught me. It's a little bit of brass shim, you can't see that, on the end of a bamboo skewer. You just move around the filter, all the end of the tracks in there, until you find a peak and signal. And there it is, you mark it is, cut a bit of shim, solder it in, check that it's okay, move it occasionally, and just keep working your way around the circuit until you peak all the receive signals up, and that's snowflaking. Okay, so we're just checking the receive sensitivity of this transverter, and it's about 100 minus 110 dBm. You can hear the tone in there. Turn the signal off. So it's definitely there. That's 5.76 gigahertz. And where's it going? So there's the signal. And to check if you want to peak up your receive chain, use the snowflake jig. You move around until you hear the signal increase. In this case, I think it is peaked up already. Every time I touch it, it actually goes down. And you can know it's working. You can hear the tone going up and down as I touch the filter. And one thing is to be careful of, you don't short any devices out.
Been there, done that.
Yeah. So I don't think I'm going to get any advantage by snowflaking this particular board. It's pretty much optimised as much as possible.